the natural wound healer, anti-inflammatory and immune boost. Hello everyone, welcome to our video on the benefits of yarrow. Yarrow is a medicinal herb that has been used for centuries to treat various ailments. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of yarrow as a natural wound healer, anti-inflammatory, and immune booster. We will also share some tips for using yarrow safely and effectively. Benefits of yarrow. Yarrow is a powerful herb that contains anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent remedy for reducing inflammation. Additionally, yarrow has been found to boost the immune system, making it an effective natural remedy for preventing and treating illnesses. Yarrow has also been found to be an effective natural wound healer. It contains properties that promote wound healing by increasing blood flow to the affected area. Yarrow is also known for its antiseptic properties, which help prevent infections and promote healing. Using yarrow. Yarrow can be used in various ways to promote wound healing, reduce inflammation, and improve immune function. One of the most common ways to use yarrow is by making a tea from its leaves and flowers. To make yarrow tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried yarrow leaves or flowers in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Yarrow can also be used topically as a poultice or salve to promote wound healing. To make a yarrow poultice, crush fresh yarrow leaves and apply them directly to the affected area. To make a yarrow salve, mix yarrow oil with beeswax and coconut oil and apply it topically to the affected area. Safety and precautions. While yarrow is generally considered safe for most people, it should not be used by pregnant or breastfeeding women as it can stimulate contractions. Yarrow should also not be used by people who are allergic to plants in the Asteraceae family. In conclusion, yarrow is a natural and effective remedy for promoting wound healing, reducing inflammation, and boosting immune function. Whether you choose to make a tea, poultice or salve, using yarrow can help improve your overall health and well-being. Just remember to use yarrow safely and effectively by following the tips we've shared in this video. Thank you for watching.